Problem 4. The letter M is first reflected over the line Q, and then reflected over the line P. Line P is horizontal, and line Q is a diagonal line, both passing through the same point. The M starts upright in the upper right. Which of the 5 choices, A through E, is the resulting image? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's set it up. Line P is the horizontal line, and line Q is the diagonal line at 45 degrees. They cross at one point, the center. Here is our letter M, sitting upright in the upper right. Here is the shortcut, reflecting over one line, and then over a second line through the same point, is the same as rotating about that point by twice the angle between the lines. The angle between Q and P is 45 degrees, so the two reflections together make a 90-degree rotation. Let's watch it happen step by step. First reflection. Flip the M across the diagonal line Q. It swings over the diagonal and lands near the top. Now mirrored. Second reflection. Flip that image across the horizontal line P. It drops straight down to the lower right, and it is now lying on its side. Compare start to finish. The upright M in the upper right has ended up on its side in the lower right. Exactly a 90-degree turn about the center, just as the shortcut predicted. That is choice E. So the answer is E.